Hello, my name is Rich Hips and welcome with this micro tutorial about scan bodies. We're going to discuss about how you should use them, what it is and why you should use them. Okay, so what is a scan body? A scan body is a piece of equipment we could use to accurately image and capture the position of the implant so that we are able to make a crown or a bridge on it. Our scan body, the scan body we would like you to prefer to use, is available for many brands, so all type of connections are available. The benefits we're going to discuss later, but it's a titanium graded 5 piece of equipment, so it's very biocompatible, and it has a ZRN period code coating, and the benefit of this coating is that it doesn't give any glare from the light from the scanner. As well, it makes the scan body more long lasting. So you could use this scan body for multiple times, of course after proper cleaning in the practice. And therefore there on top it has also select grip, which means that it's sandblasted and very accurately sandblasted, and that makes it better to recognize the scan body, and that's for a better image acquisition. Next to the fact that this screw doesn't have any screw hole on top, and the main benefit of that is that the Z-axis will be very accurately positioned. And that's one of the most important things on this screw and the benefits, because you are able to put it on just with your fingers or the carrier which comes with it, put it on the implant, and because there's no hole on top, everything will be scanned totally, and geometrically it is the right form to image the position of the implant. As I mentioned, there's a carrier included, you will see on this slide. So how does it work? You put the carrier on top, you put it in the implant, you screw it down just by finger pressure, then hold the carrier, take it off, and just use your intraoral scanner like an Electra, Medit or Trio scanner or any other available ones. Because of the geometry, it will be recorded very accurately, and again, because there's no screw hole, also this is the main benefit of this solution. Of course, there are some indications where the implant might be placed a little bit deeper, so it's harder to see and recognize for the scanner where the exact implant position is. In those cases, there is an extender available which you just can snap on and click on, and then you extend with a little bit of 5.5 millimeters extra of length, so that you are able to really scan the position of the implant very accurately, and this will help you and make your scans even better. So we recommend for single implant cases, just use a single implant scan body, and then with or without any extender. For 2 to 4 implants, one scan body of course per implant, also again with or without extender, and realize that sometimes it might be even good to place an extender on it so that the image and the device will recognize an implant much easier. Then for full all-on-X cases, so full arches, use other systems or additional systems like for instance a CAPS system to really register and make clear that the stitching problem won't occur in your data acquisition. So for multiple implant cases and edentulous cases, you need some extra additional tools to make sure that it's recognized properly, and again you are able to produce a good end solution. So why using a scan body and why use this scan body? Because it's very fast, it's very reliable, it has the right geometry, it has a sandblasted surface, so the recognition will be very easy. You don't need any screwdrivers, you just can use a carrier which comes with it, and there's no screw hole, which is good for the orientation. Next to that, it's very clean and durable. You can clean it. You can unscrew the whole system, and you have 2 pieces which you're able to clean. So you can use it multiple times. It's not a single-use item, and it's easy and reusable. So in general, the summary, I've got a short video to show you where you can see what are all the benefits. As I discussed, it has select grip. You can use it on any multi-brand if you want. So for all brands, there is a different scan body which you can order and use. And you see here the geometry aspect of it, and the fact that it doesn't have any screw hole on it. So no screwdriver, no screw hole, and that means also that there's no distortion of the scan, and that's one of the big advantages. And so it has a gold colored coloring as well, so it will be visible as well for you. It has always the code on it, so you exactly know which number it is and which component you are using. It's always you're able to identify that, and actually it works very neat, easy, and it has a two-step deactivation, so you really could turn it twice to make sure that you are able to remove everything and clean everything. So the two-step unscrewing is very efficient for proper hygiene and the reusability. So this is our scan body, and I think you really would enjoy it. And again, with this scan body, you are able to really scan many cases. It's titanium based, it has no glare. Many brands you are able to use it. There's an extender available for those cases where implants were placed too deeply, and it comes always with that carrier so that you're able to use it without any screwdriver. I think you will enjoy this scan body. If you have any questions, please contact us or contact the implant support team in your country.